Men with ADHD.
If you're struggling with porn use, hypersexual urges, or sexual behaviors that feel out of control, this will help you understand exactly why this is happening and how to regain control using strategies designed specifically for the ADHD brain. And this is for men with ADHD who keep relapsing despite trying harder, who feel driven by urges that they don't fully understand, and who are tired of shame, confusion, and starting over and over again. In one focused conversation, you'll begin to understand the real connection between ADHD, dopamine, porn addiction, and hypersexuality, and what to do about it. So here's what this conversation can give you. Firstly, clarity. Pornography addiction in men with ADHD isn't a willpower problem. It's a dopamine and impulse regulation issue. You learn why novelty and stimulation hit harder for ADHD brains, why traditional porn recovery advice often fails men like you, and why this has nothing to do with being broken, weak, or morally flawed. For many men, myself included, this alone is a massive relief. Second, a sense of control without white knuckling it. So telling an ADHD brain to just stop, that doesn't work. You'll learn how urges can be interrupted before they take over, how emotions can be regulated without using porn or sexual fantasy, and how that relapse, shame, binge cycle actually gets broken. These are practical insights that you can use immediately. No guilt, no hype, no pretending that your brain works differently from how it actually does. And third, a clearer path towards healthy sexuality. This isn't about killing your sex drive. It's about separating healthy desire from compulsive behavior. It's about rebuilding self-trust and intimacy and beginning a plan that actually fits how the ADHD brain works. So you leave knowing what to do next, not just what to avoid. We see this pattern all the time at porn reboots. Men who thought, you know what, this is just who I am. I'm never gonna get this under control. Or nothing works for me, I've tried it all. We've seen them finally realize that, man, this explains everything. I'm not weak, my brain just needed a different approach. And for the first time, I can feel calm and surf my urges. That shift, that doesn't come from more discipline. It comes from more understanding. So if this already sounds like this is what you need, well, the next step isn't signing up or paying for some program. The next step for a man with ADHD is a conversation with another man with ADHD. So you're invited to book a private call to talk about your porn use, ask questions, and see whether ADHD informed support is the right fit for you. This is not a sales call. It's a clarity and a fit call, a chance to be honest, to get perspective, and decide your next step without pressure. So if you're wondering why this approach works when others don't, well, here's the short answer. Most porn recovery advice completely ignores ADHD, and that's the mistake. ADHD brains seek stimuli. We seek it more intensely, and we struggle with delayed rewards, and we often use pornography to regulate our stress and strong emotions. So when you try to quit pornography without addressing that, well, relapse is almost guaranteed. This approach starts with the ADHD brain first, and then it shows you how to work with it instead of fighting it. And just as important, we replace shame with strategy. Shame fuels compulsive behavior. It always has. When men understand what's happening in their nervous system, they stop panicking. They start changing. And that's where real control comes from. So, if you're a man with ADHD and you're tired of feeling out of control, if you're tired of hiding your behavior, and you're just tired of starting over and over again, book a call. Spots are limited, so each conversation can remain focused and personal. Listen, you don't need willpower, brother. You simply need the right understanding and a plan that's built for your brain. I'll see you on the other side.